Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and to my OGs, you guys know how we roll it here. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing to you how I prepare my authentic Gbanga soup, yes, aka OFE AKWU. Okay guys, before that, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, without further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, these are the following ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. We start by washing the palm fruits, of which I have washed mine. I will go ahead to pour it in a boiling water. I am doing so because my palm fruit is dry. That is my way of storing my palm fruits. You can as well cook it with a cold water. Then you go ahead and cook the palm fruit till it softens. After cooking the palm fruits, scoop them into a mortar and pound it till the fibers separate from the nuts.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. It's serious, I'm always here to be superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been through it, never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
The pot on the fire and allow it to boil till the oil starts floating on the surface of the pot. So while waiting for the juice to boil, we will go ahead to roast the local ingredients. As you can see, the palm juice is already boiling. While waiting for the palm juice to boil, we will go ahead to prep and season our meat and as well cook it separately. But before then, we are going to wash the meat and set it aside for 15 minutes to marinate before cooking. So while waiting for our palm juice and our meat to cook, we will go ahead to pound the local ingredients that we roasted. But before that, we are going to start with the hard ones so that it will make the work easier for us before pounding the fresh ones. One of my reasons of pounding all my local ingredients together is because it acts as a thickener to the juice, and the aroma that comes from them all is irresistible. I also want them to cook together as well, as I don't want to overcook the soup. So guys, after the pounding procedure, we will set it aside. At this point, we will go ahead to add the dry fish and the stockfish in the juice to cook along with it so that the fish will extract its flavor in the juice. So guys, at this point, our dry fish and our stockfish has cooked enough. Then we go ahead to add in our cooked meat in the soup and stir. We will go ahead to add in our seasoning cube, our Benny seasoning, and as well our pounded ingredients. After adding the necessary ingredients, we allow the soup to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, at this point, We will go ahead to add in our scent leaf, our AKA in town, and stir very well. We will go ahead to add in our salt for taste. At this point, we have to off the flame and allow the heat to cook the scent leaf to avoid discoloration, because you still want to maintain that greenish color from your scent leaf. So guys, as you can see, this is the end product of our authentic Gbanga soup, aka OFE AKWU. You can go ahead and enjoy your soup with your rice or your eba. Also remember to dilute it with a chilled drink or water. And please don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below to tell us what you call this soup in your dialect, and likewise how you prepare it, and also what you enjoy eating it with. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it interesting. Thanks a lot for tuning on to our channel, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.